All right, so today I'm going to show you this insulating curtain that I made to separate my home office from the rest of my bedroom and my house. Um, this serves two purposes. One is to keep the heat in, so while I'm in the home office, which I'll show you in a minute, I have a little space heater in there, um, and this curtain is helping keep the heat in, so I don't have to spend a lot of extra energy heating up the rest of the house. Also, it just separates the office from the bedroom, which is nice, just visually, separating work from home life. So I'll give you a closer look. There's actually two blankets because this first one didn't reach quite all the way to the floor. So there's a second blanket that I kind of attached here with on the edges. I use these clips, and then I used on this side I use safety pins. Uh, doesn't look pretty, but it gets the job done. I also use safety pins up here to attach the blanket to the curtain rod. So let's see. Oh, there's one that you can see clearly. There's another one. So the curtain rod, this particular one is just held in place by screws. But you can also get curtain rods that are just held in place by tension. So again, we have these two blankets. They go basically almost all the way up to the ceiling and all the way down to the floor. And then here in my office, I have a space heater. So this heats the room up pretty quickly, or heats this little office space up pretty quickly. And the curtain does a good job of keeping the heat in here.